EastMallBuy is a shopping platform that helps you buy products directly from Chinese e-commerce sites. Let me show you how to shop on EastMallBuy. How to register. Simply register for a free EastMallBuy account with email address. Open your email and click verify now and start your China shopping journey right away. How to find products. EastMallBuy can capture the info of 99% of the products
on Taobao, Tmall, YDN 1688.
Select an item and you can copy the product link and paste it in the search bar. You can also take photos and upload them. Also, you can enter the product name in EastMallBuy's search bar and select from the recommended products provided. How to select and submit order. You can directly select the color, size and quantity for your item and click Add to Cart or Buy Now. Add and confirm your shipping address. Then you can submit your order. You can choose EastMallBuy wallet or other payment methods for your order.
Agent purchase and QC.
Once you have submitted your order, please be patient. Our agent will purchase your goods within 24 hours. After EastMallBuy receives the goods from the seller, we will conduct a quality check and provide you with 3 free QC photos. How to review QC and submit parcel. After the goods arrive at our warehouse, we will carry out a series of quality checks and take photos for you to view. We also provide 90 days free storage service for your items, so your items can be stored together and sent overseas. You can choose one of the reliable logistics providers offered by EastMallBuy. Then click Submit Parcel. Select the shipping method to be paid and click Confirm. Now that your order is complete, how to share parcel and earn rewards. After you receive your parcel, you can share your parcel on your social media, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Reddit. Share your EastMallBuy shopping experience. Win up to 100% cash rewards of your order's amount and parcel amount. How to invite your friend to EastMallBuy. Product page. Click Share to your friend. Go to affiliate page. Copy your exclusive link to your friend. How to find customer service. For your order parcel message, you can check My Order, My Warehouse, My Parcel page. Find message bottom. You can leave a message or reply to your order parcel. You can click the icon to contact customer service for immediate assistance. You can also join our Discord for more help.